Humanity has always been fascinated by the stars. The twinkling lights in the night sky have inspired countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries throughout history. For centuries, we have looked up at the night sky and dreamed of traveling to distant worlds. From ancient astronomers mapping the constellations to modern scientists exploring the cosmos, our desire to reach the stars has never waned. What if there were a way to reach space without the need for powerful rockets? Rockets have been our primary means of space travel, but they are expensive, complex, and limited by the amount of fuel they can carry. What if we could simply ride an elevator to the stars? Imagine a structure so tall that it extends from the Earth's surface all the way into space, allowing us to travel to orbit as easily as taking an elevator ride. This is the tantalizing idea behind the space elevator, a concept that has captivated the imaginations of scientists and science fiction writers alike. It represents a bold vision of the future, where space travel is accessible to all. The concept of a space elevator has been around for over a century. It has evolved from a theoretical idea to a serious topic of scientific research and engineering. It was first imagined by Russian scientist Konstantin Tsiolkovsky in 1895. Tsiolkovsky's vision laid the groundwork for future generations to explore the possibilities of this extraordinary idea. Since then, it has appeared in numerous science fiction books and films, becoming a symbol of humanity's ambition to conquer the final frontier. These stories have inspired countless individuals to dream big and push the boundaries of what is possible. But could this incredible feat of engineering ever become a reality? The challenges are immense, from the materials needed to construct such a structure to the logistics of building and maintaining it. The space elevator, once confined to the realm of science fiction, is now being seriously considered as a potential mode of space transportation. Researchers and engineers are exploring innovative solutions to make this dream a reality. While significant challenges remain, the potential benefits of such a system are too great to ignore. A space elevator could drastically reduce the cost of space travel, making it more accessible to people and businesses around the world. Imagine a future where we could access space as easily as boarding an airplane, where space travel becomes a routine part of our lives, opening up new opportunities for exploration, commerce, and even tourism. Where the cost of launching payloads into orbit is a fraction of what it is today. This would enable more frequent missions, larger payloads, and the development of new technologies and industries in space. This is the promise of the space elevator, a concept that could revolutionize our relationship with space. It represents a future where the stars are within our reach and the possibilities are as limitless as our imagination. Imagine a cable stretching thousands of miles from the Earth's surface into space. This isn't just science fiction. It's a concept that scientists and engineers have been exploring for decades. This is the basic idea behind a space elevator. It's a revolutionary concept that could transform how we access space. This cable wouldn't just hang in the air, of course. It would be tethered to a massive counterweight in geostationary orbit far above the Earth. This counterweight is crucial for maintaining the stability of the entire structure. The counterweight would be positioned at a specific point above the equator, where the centrifugal force of Earth's rotation would perfectly balance the gravitational pull. This precise positioning ensures that the cable remains taut and stable. This delicate balance would keep the cable taut, allowing vehicles to ascend and descend along its length. These vehicles, known as climbers, would be specially designed to travel up and down the cable efficiently. Attached to this cable would be climbers, specialized vehicles designed to ascend and descend the cable. These climbers would be powered by various means, such as solar energy or laser beams from the ground. These climbers would carry people and cargo to and from space, eliminating the need for expensive and dangerous rockets. This could make space travel more accessible and affordable for everyone. The base of the elevator would likely be located on a floating platform in the ocean, allowing it to move and avoid severe weather conditions. This mobility is essential for the safety and longevity of the space elevator. In essence, a space elevator could revolutionize our approach to space travel, making it safer, cheaper, and more sustainable. It's a vision of the future that could bring space within reach for all of humanity. While the concept of a space elevator is relatively simple, actually building one is an entirely different matter. Numerous technological hurdles must be overcome before this dream can become a reality. One of the biggest challenges is finding a material strong enough to withstand the immense tension and stress of such a structure. The cable would need to be incredibly strong, far stronger than any material currently available. Even carbon nanotubes, which are incredibly strong for their weight, may not be up to the task. Another challenge is the sheer scale of the project. The cable would need to be thousands of miles long, presenting enormous logistical and engineering challenges. Assembling and deploying such a massive structure in space would be a feat unlike any humanity has ever attempted. Despite the challenges, the potential benefits of a space elevator are too great to ignore. The concept, though ambitious, holds the promise of transforming our approach to space travel and exploration. If built, it would revolutionize space travel, making it safer, cheaper, and more accessible than ever before. The space elevator could serve as a reliable and continuous link between Earth and space, eliminating the need for traditional rocket launches. Imagine a future where we could travel to space as easily as we travel by airplane today. Boarding a space elevator could become as routine as catching a flight, opening up space to a broader segment of the population. The most significant advantage of a space elevator would be its cost-effectiveness. By drastically reducing the cost per kilogram of payload, it would make space missions more financially viable. Currently, launching payloads into space is incredibly expensive, with costs running into the hundreds of millions of dollars per launch. This high cost is a major barrier to more frequent and diverse space missions. A space elevator could reduce the cost of transporting cargo and people to space by a factor of 100 or more, making space exploration and exploitation significantly more affordable. This reduction in cost could democratize space access, allowing more countries and private entities to participate. This increased accessibility to space would have a profound impact on various industries, including telecommunications, satellite deployment, and space tourism. The ability to deploy satellites more frequently and at a lower cost could enhance global communication networks. It could also open up new avenues for scientific research and resource exploration, potentially leading to discoveries that could benefit all of humanity. From mining asteroids for rare minerals to conducting experiments in microgravity, the possibilities are endless.